Hi guys, here is the complete set of our game stick Lite. Two of the 2.4G wireless controller and the game stick itself, and one of the USB receiver, and one power supply cable, and the last one is the HDMI extension cable. So this is what we had inside the package. If you get the 4 players combo from us, apart from the complete set of the game stick console, you will get the extra 2 of the wireless controller and one more USB receiver to cover 2 of these controllers. Again, you will get a USB extension cable to extend the USB port from the game stick and connect to 4 of the controllers together into one. And here we provide you another TF card reader, which you can remove the TF card from the game stick, then join into this TF card reader and connect to PC or laptop to add more games to play with this game stick. And now we're going to show you how to install 4 of the game controller with this game stick. So first of all, we will have to remove the cover from the game stick and connect the HDMI extension cable with the game stick. That's it. Then after that, if we're going to use 4 of the game controller, then we have to use this USB extension cable to connect with the game stick. So we're going to connect the USB to the USB port of the game stick. So there we are. After then, this HDMI cable is going to connect to the HDMI port of the TV. And now we're going to connect this HDMI extension cable with the HDMI port of the TV. And make sure you have connect completely. After you connect the HDMI cable with TV, then we're going to use this power cable to connect with any USB charger head like this. And we connect the micro USB with the game stick to power on the game stick. Then you will see the LED blue light is on, which means the game stick is turned on. At the same time, you will see the signal from HDMI port to the TV. Then you will select the correct HDMI signal and press confirm. Then, if the signal been read, you will enter to the gaming system. After that, you will get your controller ready and remove the cover from the controller and input the AAA battery, 2 of battery for each of the controller. And make sure you put it in the right direction and position. After we install 2 of AAA battery into the controller, then we're going to switch on the controller and you will see the green and red LED light is blinking. Same, we're going to switch on the second controller and you will see the green and red light is blinking as well. So which means these 2 controllers is not yet connected with the USB receiver, due to we have not yet connect this receiver with the extension. And now we're going to connect this USB receiver with this USB extension cable, any port. And now you see the LED light is not showing on the controller again. Then you can press start button or mode button to activate the controller. And now you see two of the controller is showing the stable LED lights, which means two of these controllers have already connected with this USB receiver completely. So it's ready to operate or control the game stick. So after that, how are we going to connect the extra two controller with this game stick or with this extension cable? So we're going to do the same way. After you install two of the AAA battery into the controller, then we're going to switch on the controller. The same thing, we're seeing the LED light blinking. So for the second one, switch on. It's blinking, which means it's waiting for the connecting. So we are going to connect the second USB receiver with the extension, any port you like. And now you see, four of them is completely connected with two of this USB receiver and showing a stable LED light. So which means four of them is ready to play the game and ready to operate the game. And now we're going to show you how to play 4 players games. So you will get your controller ready and you will press the L1 or R1 button to change the pages. As you can see, the last page is search. Then we can try to search, for example, Bomberman. Then you will see all the Bomberman games is listed at the left side. So we're going to choose this one and press A button. Then we're entering to the game. So this is the Bomberman World 4 players games, and you will see 1 player, 2 player, 3 player, and 4 player. Then you get your controller ready and press select button to insert coin for this game. So this is the 4 player controller. And then try to text the second controller. And here is the number 3 players controller. And again, we'll get another controller. And as you see, this is the second player's controller. And the last one, it should be the first player's controller. As you see, there's no lights on the controller again. Then, as we mentioned, you will press mode button to activate. Then the controller is working again. And we insert coin. And we press start button. Here we're inside the game. This is the first player. So we don't see the other players. And now you will have to press start button of each controller to join the game. Here we are. 4 of them. It's working.